Yo, what's going on? Cater here on a beautiful day. Pound that for watching this video. Pow. So here at the post office, picking up some checks and yeah, mailbox income. But anyway, in this video, I want to talk about why I choose to create online income versus working a regular job. I was actually going to nursing school, and then I figured out you can make money online, which was powerful. So anyway, I'll show you guys. I just went into one of my mailbox here. Yeah. So I won't show address, but this is gonna be, and just open it up together. Okay, let's see what we got. Okay, so we got an envelope. Okay, cool. To Cater. All right. And that has 1,000, another 1,000. So that's 2,000. Not bad. From online. Now, a lot of people think, yo, this stuff is not real. It can't be real. Guys, I've been doing this thing for the last, for the last 4 to 5 years now. So going on 5. So it's real, man. A lot of people been asking, yo, Cater, is making money online, is this stuff real? Now I'm gonna show you. I did a couple of videos on proof on the MCA program that I've been doing, and I just went to the bank. So if you really don't want to make this stuff, if you really want to make this stuff happen, you gotta. So I'm gonna go to my car real quick and actually show you what's possible, what you can create. I mean, that was 2K from this inbox, online inbox money. And here I have another, I don't know. Now I usually kind of count the money or whatever, but I don't do much money counting videos anymore. But this is all from online. This is real money. I just went to the bank. You guys can see those Bank of America envelope on them. This is not prop stuff. I mean, here's another pack. This is real cash, all made from online. So if you want to learn how to do this thing, this is all made from the internet. Real cash made from online. I can just stuff it like, here's another one. Real cash made from the internet. Now, my point in this video is I want you to understand this stuff is possible. And if you would like more information, I want you to do 3 things. I want you to like this video, I want you to comment more info, and I want you to share it. So if you do all 3 things, I'll contact you, I'll share this stuff with you and show you exactly how I'm doing this mailbox money and how you can create this other money. Now, of course, people say, hey, Cater, why do I have to pay? Of course you gotta pay because there's a requirement. Everybody pays to get started. That's how it goes down, But here's the deal. One thing I learned from my mentor, right? He said that to me, and I kept that one. If you invest, okay? If you take your pocket and you invest in your mind, soon enough, your mind will invest in your pocket. So that's why people who actually get into this stuff, I train them, they invest. So I train them, they invest in their mind, right? They get my training. They grow, and then therefore their mind invests in their pockets because now they have the understanding how to run a full-time business online and how to become free and never have to work a day in their life ever again unless they choose to. But anyway, if you want more information, you want to take this stuff to the next level, I can show you. I'm not just saying this stuff. Look at my wall. I can show you how to do these things. I do this stuff full-time for the last 5 years, never work a job. I have teammate people who's making 4K a week, people making 5,000. My goal is to get 10 people to start making $10,000 a week online. So about 40K a month. Sounds crazy to some people, but it's possible. Anyway, if you want more information, like this video, share it, comment more info down below, and I'll reach out to you. We'll make stuff happen. That was Cater with a quick proof video for those of you who've been asking me. Here it is. I'll see you guys later. Bye.